Mastering the phrase, second to none. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you've probably heard but might not fully understand, second to none. This expression is a fantastic way to describe something of unparalleled quality, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Let's explore together why this phrase is so powerful and how you can use it confidently in your conversations. The phrase, second to none, is used to emphasize that someone or something is the best or the most outstanding in a particular context. It literally means there is nothing better. No one or nothing comes second because everything else is considered to be of lesser quality or importance. This expression is often used to praise or highlight the superiority of an individual, a product, a service, or even an idea. While the exact origins of second to none are a bit murky, it's clear that this phrase has been in use for centuries to denote excellence and supremacy. It's commonly used in both formal and informal settings, making it a versatile addition to your English vocabulary. You might find it in written reviews, award ceremonies, or personal recommendations. To grasp the full essence of second to none, let's look at some examples. The quality of craftsmanship in these watches is second to none. As a mentor, her guidance is second to none, always leading us to success. In terms of reliability, this brand is second to none. Notice how the phrase elevates the subject by placing it above all others in its category. Use second to none when you want to express the highest level of quality or respect. It's particularly effective in persuasive writing or speeches when you need to make a strong impact. However, use it sparingly. Its power comes from its ability to highlight something truly exceptional. Second to none is more than just a phrase. It's a powerful tool for expressing unparalleled excellence. Whether you're writing an essay, making a speech, or simply having a conversation, using this expression can add depth and clarity to your message. We hope this video has shed some light on how to use second to none effectively. Thank you for watching, and remember, your ability to communicate clearly in English is second to none when you practice and use what you've learned today.